Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by picking the right car and dialing in controls so inputs are predictable. Start in a safe area and use about 1/3 throttle to feel weight transfer. Make gentle steering inputs. This prevents snap oversteer while you learn brake balance. Once done, practice short bursts and light braking to sense grip limits. You need these basics to build muscle memory so you can trust the car when things get faster or corners get tighter. You now combine braking, steering, and throttle into fluid sequences. Brake in a straight line, then ease into trail braking for half a second to settle the nose. This helps rotation. As you enter, modulate throttle smoothly so the rear stays planted. Small, deliberate increases avoid snap loss of traction. If slide begins, counter steer immediately but in small increments, correcting progressively. Practice linking 2 to 3 corners to sync time. You finish a sequence by unwinding steering and applying steady throttle as the car straightens to prevent twitchy transitions. If you lose it, stay calm. Apply full opposite steering, then ease throttle gradually. Jerky inputs worsen spinouts. After runs, make small setup tweaks like lowering ride height or adding rear downforce if instability persists, because mechanical balance reduces correction work. One troubleshooting tip: if controls feel twitchy, increase steering dead zone and reduce sensitivity to regain predictable inputs.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.